shuttle breaches the outer nebulous shell of Xenos Prime. Crystalline spires rise like frozen symphonies, refracting starlight into blinding rainbows that hurt the eyes. No welcome, no defenses, just silence. So, thick it presses against the hull like water. Kyoya, Siren, Nagi, June, and U.S. Solid Light form step onto the central coliseum platform, an arena the size of a small moon, tiered seats carved from pure resonance crystal, empty except for one figure at the apex throne. Samael, not Apollo's lieutenant, his successor, a being of shifting mercury and molten gold, face a featureless mask that splits into a manic, toothy grin whenever it laughs. Voice layered in ecstatic madness. Part child's glee, part funeral dirge. He claps slowly, sound echoing across vacuum as if the void itself applauds. Welcome, noise bearers. You came all this way for calm? How quaint. But calm is boring. Let's play a game instead. Simultaneously on Earth, mirage rifts tear open in every major political center. UN headquarters, Brasilia, Beijing, Moscow, Washington. Brasilia again. The Brazilian capital gets hit twice for emphasis. Not destructive swarms. Precision strikes. World leaders, diplomats, generals. All frozen mid-sentence. Voices replaced by perfect, emotionless Xenos choir tones. Screens worldwide hijack. Samael's grinning mask. The game is simple. SI-VIS performs on Nagisa's stage. Every time you fail to entertain me, I pull one more string on Earth. One more voice silenced. One more city muted. Until the planet is perfectly quiet. Or until you win my heart. The stage materializes beneath them. A floating platform of black crystal suspended over an abyss. Spotlights of cold white light. Audience of thousands of Xenos drones. Identical, eyeless, humming in perfect unison. Nagisa stage. Named after the ancient singer whose pillar Nagi touched last episode. The one who defied Xenos and paid with her voice. The competition begins. No warm-up. Samael snaps fingers. The first challenge, sing without resonance. SI-VS's mics deaden. No crowd energy, no hype boost. Just their raw voices against Samael's choir of drones. Kyoya starts. Aomori lullaby, cracked. Then in vacuum. Siren joins, scarred rasp fighting for air. Nagi beatboxes seismic waves that ripple the platform but can't reach Samael. June's bass hums low, defiant. Mew layers her ethereal thread. But it's not enough. Samael yawns theatrically. A news feed flashes. Brasilia's Congress silence mid-vote. One more string pulled. Second round. Sing perfection. Samael floods a stage with his flawless harmony. Every note mathematically ideal. No vibrato, no breath, no soul. SI-VS tries to match. Fails. Their imperfections. Kyoya's waver. Siren's cough. Nagi's off-rhythm stomp. Clash and shatter against a wall of clean sound. Another flash. UN chamber goes mute. Samael laughs. Genuine, delighted, terrifying. The team is breaking. Kyoya whispers. We can't win his game. Nagi signs. Then we change the rules. Final act. They stop trying to impress Samael. They sing for themselves. For Earth. For every fan still humming back home. No choreography. No sync. Just messy, stubborn human sound. Kyoya forgetting lyrics and laughing. Siren pushing her scarred voice until it bleeds. Nagi screaming her first full roar. June let his pacemaker skip for chaotic rhythm. Mew weaving lullabies to the chaos. Samael leans forward. First time his grin falters. Confusion. Then fascination. Then rage. Then joy. The drones begin to glitch. They're perfect hum cracks. The platform shakes. Earth feeds show leaders blinking. Voices returning. Hoarse, imperfect, alive. Samael stands. Claps once. Genuine applause. You are not enough. And that is why you are the strongest. He shatters into liquid light. Not defeated, satisfied. The coliseum cracks. Xenos Prime begins a fracture. The team evacuates as the nebula collapses in on itself. Final shot. Shuttle warping back toward Earth. U.S. light dim but steady. Kyoya looks out. We didn't win. We just refused to lose his way. Fade to black. Distant Earth chorus swells. Messy. Alive. Unbreakable. VLLN delivers pure psychological arena horror. Samuel's design is nightmare fuel. Mercury-gold shifting, mask splitting into ecstatic grins, voice modulation that swings from childish to apocalyptic. The coliseum is vast, cold, crystalline, spotlights like surgical blades. The competition rounds are edited with brutal rhythm. Perfect versus imperfect sound visualized as clean waveforms shattering against jagged human ones. Nagi's roar is animated with seismic detail, shockwaves cracking crystal, her throat veins glowing. Kyoya's laugh through forgotten lyrics moment is hand-drawn intimacy, sweat beads, trembling lip, pure relief, gentle nudges. The Earth political center cuts feel a touch repetitive, same leader silence shot thrice. Samuel's philosophy dumped mid-game is wordy, but the climax, refusing the rules entirely, lands with devastating emotional force. This is SI-VIS at its most philosophical. Samuel isn't evil. He's the endpoint of perfection worship. The not enough, the strongest thesis? Brutal and brilliant. Humanity wins not by being better than Xenos, but by being so stubbornly flawed that perfection can't process it. Nagi's roar? Cathartic payoff. Kyoya's laugh? The heart of the show. The team choosing mess over victory? That's the soul.